But it's not about Chris Brown. It's about Columbia, Maryland.
Sure.
Guys, what city has 3,600 acres of green space, 95 miles of walking trails, has lakes, has ponds, has its own mall and concert venue?
Can I get a drum roll, please?
Okay. That city is Columbia, Maryland, dear God.
Today's video, guys, we're going to tell you why people are still moving to Columbia, Maryland.
This is Love and Real Estate.
Hi, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And we run a local real estate company called the Dapo Group.
Every week, we're going to take you into communities, restaurants, and experiences in DC and the surrounding areas.
Just think of us as your personal real estate agents. Enjoy the show!
So Amanda, I know where Columbia, Maryland is, but a lot of our audience who are watching have no clue.
Well, let me tell them. So, Howard County, or Columbia, Maryland, I think I said that word. Columbia is actually located in Howard County. So it's actually located in the happy middle place between Washington, D.C. and Baltimore City. So if you're looking for a commute that is less than 40 minutes, then Columbia, Maryland may be your best bet.
So that's actually between two big foodie towns.
Yes.
Oh, I love to eat.
Lots
but
of
let
job
me tell you about
opportunities.
this. That's true. The type of styles of homes. So we're going to come across a single family home, a townhome, and also a condo. As of March 2024, the average price of a home is $484,000.
Wow, I was expecting it to be a lot more.
Yeah, no, I agree. So the thing that makes Columbia very interesting is because a lot of people want to live here, we always have an inventory issue.
Which means, in simple terms, not that many homes.
Yeah, so let me give you an example. So as of March 2024, there were 73 homes that sold. And if we compared it to last year, March 2023, we had 98 homes that sold. So that's a 25% drop.
Whoa, layman's terms. Okay? These are people learning about real estate.
Correct.
So what he said is that last year was only 98.
98, yeah.
And now in 2024, in the month of March, only 24 homes sold?
73.
Okay, 73 homes.
27 house difference. It went down. Yes. So, but guys, so if you want to live in Columbia, Maryland, right, you have to write a competitive offer. And what I mean by that is because there's so much competition, very few people are going to be able to get it. Right? So that means that if you want to learn how to write a competitive offer, reach out to info@thedapogroup.com.
Cool. Now, let me tell you about the amenities.
So guys, there is a reason why Columbia, Maryland is so beautiful. Now, you may or may not like this one. Okay. So there is a thing called the CA, or the Columbia Association. The Columbia Association has a set of fees for every single person that actually lives inside of the city of Columbia. So because we're watching YouTube and I don't want to bore you with a bunch of math, we're going to hit the pause button real quick and we're going to freeze and let that math pop up on screen. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, pause. How did that work for you? No. Don't get mad at me. I'm not the man, so don't shoot the messenger, right?
Wait, you're the messenger and not the,
I'm just the messenger. I'm not the one that did it, right? And on top of that, don't be a negative Nancy, because remember, those fees include 3,600 acres of green space.
Wow.
95 miles of walking trails.
Okay.
And then tons of natural amenities, programming, and things to do that are completely free to the public. But you know what? Instead of me telling you about it, let me show you. Come on.
Now, you know I'm married. I can't be... Oh, excuse me.
You're always so funny. All right, guys. So in Columbia, there is a lot to do. For example, we have nature at Lake Elkhorn. We also have the Color Burst Park, which has many free exercise classes.
Jazzercise, step aerobics. And then, guys, you also can catch a concert at the Merriweather Pavilion. Tons of things to do there. And then afterwards, you can get dinner at the mall at Columbia at a local or one of the amazing chain restaurants that they have there.
Now, guys, we told you about everything Columbia has to offer. Let's go check out a listing in Columbia, Maryland.
Welcome to this beautiful brand new single family home with hard surfaces throughout. Check out this open concept. Now let's take you into this kitchen. Here we go. Now this kitchen is anchored with beautiful white cabinets. It also has electric appliances, an island, golden pendant lights. It's just gorgeous. But also you got to take you to this owner suite. The owner suite has a tray ceiling, open concept, of course, with a large closet and a massive ensuite bath with shower and tub. Then it's also anchored with more additional bedrooms on the top level. And then we're gonna go past our main level again. We're gonna take you to our basement. Our basement is open concept, so it can be left to your imagination. But this is a absolutely beautiful single family home that I think you should definitely take a look at, and we can leave you the description in the description box below. You're welcome. Ooh, well, guys, Columbia, Maryland.
Yeah.
Columbia, Maryland. Finally, yes.
Got a ring to it.
Everything from the good, a tiny bit of bad, but mostly good. The whole honest truth. Now, let's get to the most important part. If you want to know more about Columbia, Maryland, or even that house that we went to go take a look at, I want you to email us at info@thedoppelgroup.com because we would love to be your real estate resource of choice.
Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give us a like, also share it. It actually allows us to grow this channel and also keeps you updated on the weekly videos that we drop. Again, guys, we're your favorite real estate couple. My name is AD.
And my name is Amanda, and until next time, bye.
Bye.